Want to see how I prepare this brown stew fish? Keep on watching now. Let's head straight to the kitchen. Here I have some fish, red snapper. I already clean and wash with lime and vinegar and cut in the size that I like. I'm going to season this with some chicken season, adobo all-purpose, garlic, black pepper, and some Larry's seasoned salt. Okay. Whichever season you have available to you, you do it. And for the heads, we need to season inside the heads, okay? We're going to use some adobo all-purpose. I'm searching for my fish season, but unfortunately I can't find it. We use some garlic powder. And some of this chicken bouillon. And we're just going to mix that and allow them to marinate for at least 15 minutes. Then we move on to the next step. Okay guys, now we're just going to cover this and allow it to marinate a little, okay, while we move on to the other steps. Here I have some oil heating up and I'm going to add some aromas to it. I had ginger, garlic and hot pepper. And I'm going to allow that to heat up. Then I add my fish. I'm going to fry each side until golden brown and set aside.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what if you're stupid and you know it's not.
Okay, while the rest of fish frying, now we're going to cut some fresh vegetables and season. I have bell pepper, garlic, ginger, celery, tomato, scallion and thyme. And I'm going to add some carrot too, but you see those at the end. And here I already washed them. Now I'm just going to slice them and set aside.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing.
Okay guys, moving on, we're going to make our sauce. Here I'm adding some oil. This oil is the oil I use to fry the fish. Optional, when I'm making fish sauce, I just use some of the fish oil. Okay, here I had my fresh seasoning to my pot that I already cut. Here I'm adding my carrots, and I'm just going to stir that to combine. Add ketchup, season of choice, and of course some browning. Just keep on watching guys.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in.
If you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please tap that subscribe button below and turn the notification bell on. So in that part, you become a part of the family and you won't miss another video. And to my returning supporters, guys, appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much for the support over the years. 2 years on YouTube, unbelievable. But anyhow, let's get back to the video. All the ingredients used in this video will be in the description box below. So do check out the description box area. You'll find a list of all the ingredients used.
You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Okay guys, now we're going to add our fish pieces. cover with sauce, and I'm just going to cover my pot and allow those to simmer and marry with that lovely sauce for at least just 2 minutes, okay? And then we can enjoy dinner. Keep on watching, guys. I'm almost there. Here is the finished product, guys. My brown stew, red snapper fish. It was delicious, and I'm going to serve this with some turmeric rice, some salad, and fried plantain. And dinner was excellent. I want to take the time out to thank all my supporters. Again, appreciate you guys for the continued support over the years. To my new supporters, thank you guys for coming on board. And if by accident and you came across my channel for the first time, please tap the subscribe button below and join the family. And here I'm serving my dinner, guys. Back to the video. And just look at that sauce. Yes, so delicious, guys. Anyway, thank you guys again, and just stay along with me on this journey, and see you all in my next video, guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now. Enjoy.
Say what you wanna say to me.